Welcome to the amazing underwater waterfall illusion at Le Morne in Mauritius. Located off the coast of Le Morne, Brabant, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this stunning phenomenon appears to be an underwater waterfall, but it's actually an optical illusion. What you see is not water falling to the ocean depths, but rather sand and silt being pushed off the coastal shelf and down into the deeper ocean. The unique topography of the area, combined with the crystal-clear waters, creates the illusion of a cascading waterfall under the sea. The island's beautiful underwater waterfall lies along the idyllic shores of Le Morne, Brabant, on the southwest coast of Mauritius. The south coast is known for being the most luxurious part of Mauritius because of its striking white beaches, backed by world-class hotels and majestic mountain landscape. This underwater waterfall is an extraordinary optical illusion, which can only be viewed from an aerial perspective. The natural phenomenon is created from the variation of different colored sands and reflections of light. Its waterfall appearance deceives the eye into thinking the water is actually falling, but it's the sand shifting off the shelf of the ocean by the force of the current which creates the magic. You can catch a glimpse of the shape of the island's underwater waterfall by hiking up the gorgeous Le Morne, Brabant. Once you reach the top of the 500-meter peak, you'll be met with unspoilt views of the island and colorful coral reef. The best way to admire the breathtaking beauty of the underwater waterfall, though, is by flying over it by seaplane or helicopter. You'll be blessed with a brilliant bird's-eye view, which allows you to appreciate the island's stunning natural beauty and admire the many colors of the Indian Ocean. At first glance, you might not think the island's underwater waterfall is that deep, with the shelf of the Indian Ocean being no deeper than 150 meters below sea level. But there's also another section, called the drop-off, that goes beyond the shelf's edge and plunges to an astonishing 4,000 meters into the Indian Ocean, into an unknown abyss. If you like the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe button.